Hello friends, this is Arun and welcome in my channel of Photoshop, Photography and Lightroom. Today's tutorial is very special because I am talking about smart object. This command is very special in Photoshop CS6. It may be Photoshop CS3, CS4 and CS5. All three versions support smart objects. So it's a very important command and it has the ability for a non-destructive editing abilities. So I will teach you each benefit of smart object step by step in my different tutorials. So firstly I will talk about non-destructive editing abilities. So what it means in Photoshop. I have firstly there are three layers. There's a color layer, then second layer, then third layer. In second layer you will get this icon small box. It means this layer is smart object. If you want to convert this, suppose this one, convert to smart object, then click on this, right click on this. Make sure you have click on this name instead of this layer directly. Right click on here and convert to smart object. Now this layer is converted into smart object. Now Control Z to deselect. So there is a very common command in Photoshop, that is transformation. We do transformation in our each uh, project, and it is very commonly used command in Photoshop CS6. Or whenever we use this command and we transform our image, suppose we are making it small then larger, it loses the quality. So how it loses the quality? Suppose I have this layer, so this is not smart object. Now Control T, I will do Control T, I will transform it to small. Okay, now again I will do same thing, Control T. Now I will stretch it to its original size. Now you can see the quality it has lost. I will hide this smart object. Now as you can see the quality is lost. Whenever do we transform directly to our, it may be your JPEG image, it may be your text layer, whatever you are using, transform command directly on your layer and it will lose the quality if you are not working with your smart object. So now I will hide this. Now I will activate this smart object. Now I will do same thing. Then okay, Control T. Okay, then again Control T to get back this size to original size. As you can see, the quality is same. I have transformed it. So it's a very important command, smart object. Whenever you are working with your project, make sure you have converted your image into smart object. It is very simple. Just right click on it, then go to smart object. uh, Wherever you want to rasterize this layer, directly right click on it, then go to rasterize layer. Now this layer is now not smart object. To make it smart object, click on it, smart object. So this is the great benefit of using smart object. Whenever you do you are working with your project, if you want to transform many times, it maintains the quality of the image. And you can get further tutorials of smart object in my next tutorial. Now another benefit of smart object is you can, if you're using Illustrator and further you are using Photoshop, maybe it may be Corel Draw. If you're using Illustrator and CorelDRAW in your project, and if you want to import your file in the Photoshop, then you cannot directly import your file. So there is a special command in Photoshop CS6, that is go to file, then click on place. If you click on place, and then it will find your vector files, then it means you can import your vector files. Click on this, and I have this .eps file that is generated in Adobe Illustrator. Click on this, then click on place. So it is your vector file, and you can work with your vector file as a smart object. It will directly convert into smart object. As you can see here, there is a small box here. So it is a great benefit of this command. And another method is go to file, open as smart object, then click on this. Now this file is open in separate. So in this way you can use smart object for your vector files, vector data.